so you want to listen to some music, but your amplifier won't turn on. First of all, don't panic and don't start removing tubes from the amplifier, because doing so can create a new problem for you to troubleshoot. First, double check the power cord to ensure it is connected to a power outlet and the power outlet is active. If you're not sure if the AC outlet has power, you can test using your cell phone charger. Next, double check that the power cord is connected securely to your amplifier. Now try your amplifier again to see if it turns on. If it still won't turn on, let's check the tubes. Visually inspect the tubes to ensure there are no cracks or unusual burnt marks. Remove the power cord. You should be able to see the fuse box. Gently pull the fuse compartment out. Visually inspect the fuse. If it's blown, you should replace the fuse. If your amplifier doesn't turn on and it blows the fuse again, replace all the tubes. You can order a replacement set of tubes on our website.